potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, calcium. It's loaded. When I say it's loaded with nutrition for your plants, it helps with root development. It helps with the leafy greens. It helps with the fruiting of your plant. Oh my God, y'all. Once you start seeing the fruits come on your plant, hit it up with All right, guys, good morning. I just want to come out here before the sun come up and give you guys a short video on how I get potassium inside of my compost. Um, I use my banana leaves. So what I do is I just cut off, this is my banana tree. I cut off the leaves of my banana tree, and it'll give me all the phosphorus I need. Look at this big old banana tree. I am out of compost. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut some fresh leaves off my banana tree, and I'm going to show you guys what else I'm going to put inside of my compost tea for my fertilizer, for my natural fertilizer. All right, guys, this is what I cut up so far. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to take and cut up some more in little pieces and put it inside of my bucket. And I'm gonna show you guys what else I'm gonna put inside of this bucket to get more nutrition. All right, guys, I cut the pile of leaves up, and banana leaves. And what I do, I take all the cuttings and I put it inside a 5-gallon bucket, just like this. Banana leaves benefits, has nutrition, high in phosphorus. And phosphorus is really good it's a good nutrition for fruiting and for your roots development. It's rich for your soil. So what I do is I'm gonna make 2 buckets of this. I put them banana leaves inside of the bucket, and I also have my kitchen scraps. I got old cabbage. Cabbage is also high in phosphorus. I have old onions, more old banana peels. I'm just gonna go ahead, and I have orange peels. I'm gonna dump that all in one bucket together. I have some coffee grinds from Starbucks. Coffee grinds is high in nitrogen. Of course, we're gonna need that for our leafy greens for the fall, like our broccolis, our lettuce, our greens, collard greens, anything you name that we're planting for the fall, we definitely gonna need lots of nitrogen. So I take and I pull all that, some of that inside of this bucket all together. And I do have some eggshells, high in calcium. Put that in the bucket. Last but not least, rainwater. We have rainwater. Take and I cover fill it up. Alright guys, this is how it looks on the inside. You want to take, we got them coffee grinds in there. We got the coffee grinds full of nitrogen. We got the banana peel in there full of phosphorus. The banana leaves. We got some eggshells in there full of calcium. That break down. I'm gonna let that break down for a few months. All this is gonna break down into that liquid, and this liquid here is what you're gonna use once all this breaks down. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour that liquid inside of your watering can. You can dilute if you want, or if not, you don't have to dilute. You pour some more rainwater inside of there. I just use that water. And just pour on my plants. And that's how I feed my plants, guys. Easy peasy. And you're saving a whole lot of money. You don't have to go out and buy fertilizer. And this will do just as well. And I just take my bucket on top, sealed it real tight, so that way we won't get any flies or bugs inside of our compost, because flies will they will nest inside of your compost, and you don't want that stuff in your compost. So make sure it's nice and sealed. Sit it somewhere and just leave it somewhere in your garden. Forget about it for a few months. Open it back up. Pour it inside of a watering can. Dilute it. Pour the liquid inside of half of the watering can like this. Add some more rainwater to dilute, or you don't have to dilute. It's up to you. I find that when I don't dilute, it's fast working. It's fast working. So once your once the liquid out of your bucket is halfway gone, just start filling it up. Every time you use it, fill it up with that rainwater. And always make sure you keep your top on your compost, your liquid compost. This is my compost pile. This is all going to break down, and this is going to be some soil, my compost soil I use for my plants as well. This stuff right here is so rich in all kinds of nutrients. This is cuttings from banana trees, cuttings from old tomato plants I pulled up, old flowers, anything you can think of. I save them and I put them inside of this big old bin, and it's gonna break down throughout the months, and it's gonna be my nice compost full of nutrition, what my plants gonna need, my soil gonna need. And if you watch my old video, you'll know this is what I use, my compost. This is what I use. And I also use banana water, guys. I take my banana peels and I just sit it in some rainwater inside of a bucket like this, and I let it sit for 24 hours, or maybe you can let it sit long as you want. Sometimes I forget about it, and when it's time to fertilize, especially my my potatoes, when I plant my potatoes, I always use banana water for my potatoes because potatoes needs lots of phosphorus, and banana water has lots of phosphorus inside of it. So this is my go-to method for my potatoes. And I also put this on my my peppers and all around the garden. It's a good nutrition, and it benefits a lot. So I use it. So that's another cheap method I use to save money. Y'all, save them banana peels. The banana peels, it helps a lot. I have a banana tree behind me, so I'm always cutting my leaves, and I'm always saving my leaves. And when my leaves die, I die off for the fall, I definitely save them. I chop my tree down, and I just save the leaves, and it's good benefit for my garden. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Oh, that smells too, y'all. Oh, it smells a lot, but it's nice nutrition for your plant. Might smell bad to you, but your plant's gonna love it. And guys, is another thing I use for a liquid fertilizer: rice water. Oh my God, rice water works wonders. If you out of your liquid, when I'm out of my liquid fertilizer, like I just had to make a whole batch on this video, for my backup, I usually use either my banana water or my rice water into my my compost tea is ready. So my rice water, the rice water has potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, calcium. It's loaded. When I say it's loaded with nutrition for your plants, it helps with root development, it helps with the leafy greens, it helps with the fruiting of your plant. Oh my God, y'all, once you start seeing the fruits come on your plant, heat it up with this rice water. It works wonders, y'all. I made a whole video on rice water. I showed you guys how to make the rice water recipe. I showed you guys what to do, how to use it, when to use it. Go check that video out, guys, because it works. That's another way to save money, that rice water. So guys, I gave you 3 different liquid fertilizers you can use to save money. So there's no excuse that I don't have the money to buy all the fertilizer. I don't have money to buy fertilizer. It's sitting around your house. You got to go get it. It's sitting around your house. Just put your thoughts together and make it. I gave you guys 3 different liquid fertilizers: the compost tea with the kitchen straps. I gave you guys the banana fertilizer water and the rice water. That's 3 major nutrition fertilizers you can use for your garden. So it's no excuse to not feed your plants. It's no excuse, guys. All right, guys, this is my my pepper plant. As you can see, you see a pepper right there, and we have some budding going on with some more peppers. This is my banana water. I just go around and just on each plant, under the roots, well, under the base of it, just go around and just give everybody a little feed. So yeah, guys, I'm all about saving money. Tomatoes you had last season, save your old saw. You can reuse everything, guys, and it's perfectly fine. You can use it. We all learning, we all growing together, we in this together. All I'm here is to make videos and for you guys to save money and to show you guys what I learned along the way. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I appreciate you so much. If you like this video, go ahead and give your girls a thumbs up. And if you want to share it with somebody, go ahead and share it with somebody. They might learn, they want to learn whatever you learn. Share it. I don't mind. And subscribe to my channel so you won't miss all the videos I have in store, because I got a lot of things on my mind and I want to share it with you guys. I want your garden to thrive the way my garden thriving. I want you to save money in your pocket the way I'm saving money in my pocket. So every little thing I learned, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna show you. So thanks again guys for watching. I appreciate you. Bye bye.